Okay, this is video documentation for the front grade beam supporting the front of the house. It has two shear walls on either side. I'll explain what's going on here. So the excavation is 2'6" by 2'6", 2'6" wide, 2'6" deep. We got this rebar here, 1 foot on center. They are spaced out 1 foot on center all the way down. Then we have 6 rebars running through the top, 6 rebars coming from the bottom. Here we got the 2 anchor bolts that support the shear wall. This right here, this board right here, is where the footing stops. So there's a curve from here to there. Shear wall sits right on top of here. Other side, same thing. Shear wall, the bolts are in between the supports, so it has supports holding the bolts on both sides. On this side as well, so you can see that's leveled out. We got our string line right here, matches up that edge to this edge, leveled out. And then from right here to right where that 2x4 is at, there's an opening for the garage. The opening's 8 foot 4 inches. Jay, you wanted me to put 10 foot 6 inches. If I would have started from here where you told me to follow the beam that comes up here, if I would have, that's that mark from the beam up top, the inside of that 2x4, and then I went 10 foot 6 inches over on this side, and we ended up all the way somewhere over here. So what I did was I went inside and I saw how big the opening was for there, which is 8 foot 2, and I went down here and I gave it 8 foot 4, and it went up to right in this area right here. Okay, so we can make it a little bit bigger if you want, but it coincides with the old footing. See, it's just a little bit. We can make it bigger if you want me to scoot it down this way, we could, but it looks like that pretty much. Okay, so it's ready for concrete. We'd fill the concrete into the top right here. There'd be a flat space in here for the car or driveway to drive in through, and there'd be a raised curb on both edges. And like I said, those would support the shear walls. Okay, so that's what it is. Hopefully it's clear enough to see. There goes the water line that was moved out of the way, and everything lines up good. This lines up with this wall here. You see it right there? So you could throw that wall up straight into the top. It should line up with the original supports. Same thing here. So the wall lines up with that 2x4 right there. And that's it.